Hello viewers, are you struggling on how to remove background in PowerPoint without using any app? In PowerPoint, you can easily remove background. This is a complex background and this is a simple background. In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove both the complex background and simple background. And after removing it, you not leave it like that. You can go further to edit it. Look at the background, the one we have removed, and we keep it plain. We didn't add any background, we didn't format anything there. And look at this one now. Look at this, we edited it. You put different background here. Look at this one, you can put any design. This one is a car, I put it in the picture. This one also is a plain background. This is what we learn in this tutorial. Dive in, let's continue with this tutorial. Okay, we will start with simple background, picture with simple background. What we will do, we left click, right click on it, copy it, then go here, we will get new slide. Okay, once you get new slide, then now right click and paste. This is what we want to change the color today. Now when you double click on the picture, when you double click on the picture, you now see picture tools. Under it, you see a lot of drop down, a lot of icons that you can use to format this. But we are interested in removing the background. Okay, then under color icon, you click on the arrow there. A drop down menu will showing many things: color, saturation, color tone, color. But we're interested in set transparent color. Click on set transparent color. Now once you click on set transparent color, you will see the cursor with arrowhead pen. Okay, you just carry it, place in that picture, then right click. Once you right click on format. This is not what you're interested in. We're interested in transparent color. Click on no fill. Okay, you click on no fill. This is the how the thing will look like, because I selected the picture before. This is how it will change to transparent color. Then for you to format it, this is it. You double click on it, then select this. There are a lot of design that you can select also. A lot of design, but we are interested in this. Okay, you can also select other designs. Okay, then after when you finish this, you can now add picture, add the car. Okay, this one, or add any other things that you want to add. How can you do that? You now go to the picture. Look at this. Let's go back. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, let's go back. This is not the, it's already formatted. Okay, then you now right click on it. Once you right click on it, you click on format picture. This dialog box will show. You now click on fill and line. Once you click on fill and line, here is no fill. But if you click on graded now, you can see another color, another background. If you click on picture, because this one is already there. But if you don't want this one, you can go to the file again. You can select, let me put this one at the background. You insert, it will be at my background. Provide you can go back again. You can insert 3. It will be in the background. So you can play with your picture. Once you remove the background, I can start to put this my picture there. It will be in my background. Okay, I can start to put this one. It will be in my background. But the best is car. That is why I put it there. The best is car. Okay, so you can now put it like this. So apart from that, let us remove the one with complex background. This is how to do the formatting on the one with simple background. Then you close this thing again. Okay, then now play this one by the side. Then for the same the one of complex background, you go there, you copy it by right clicking, copy, then go to your own background, your own slide, paste it. This one is more complex, but we make it simple. You double click on it again, the picture tools will show. Under here you will see remove background. Once you click on it, it will be selected. Then you will see mark area to keep, mark area to remove, delete mark, delete all change, keep change. But when you are interested in mark area to keep. So anywhere we now select now, it will keep it. So what we do, is now in a simple way, carefully, you now place here, it will remove. See, anywhere that is the thing that is plain now, but anywhere that has this color will be removed. So we are intending to remove you get your picture. So you need to be careful. Then select wash again. When you select wash again, it will be plain. Then you go to the head, carefully remove it. You go to this side, carefully remove it. You go to this one, make sure that the color is no more there. If you do it anyhow, it will be tattered. You will do it carefully and make sure that everything remove. Okay, now this one we are interested in the hand now. Then the wash. Then this place, there is more thing here. There is more thing in the neck. Okay, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. I think there is more thing here. I think it's okay now. Now what we now do again is now to click outside. Yeah, this is how to remove the background. If you compare this picture now with the previous one, let's copy the previous one, Control C on your keyboard. You copy it, then you paste it. Is it not wonderful? So with this one now, with this you cannot change color. You cannot format and put anything there. You cannot, because you have not removed the background. But with this you can do anything you want. You can put the picture too, good. You can put a pattern, any design that you want in the background. You can give any design in your own background. You can format it to your taste. Okay, you can format it to your taste. Anything that you want to put is what you put, because you have already removed the background. Okay, so here now I can decide to put let me say, let's go back to 3. I can decide to put 3. See the 3 there? Is it not wonderful? So this is what we learn. So let's double click on this again. Let me put pattern. I think I like pattern. Yeah, okay, let me put this. Now let me close this. So this is how to format it. Okay, now you can edit it. You can edit it. You can put under this color now. You can change anything you want. You can change. You can change anything you want under this color. You can change it. Look at this. You can change. You can correct the brightness. I don't like this. So picture effect, under picture effect, you can put shadow. Anything you want, that's what you will do. Okay. So I think this is where we stop. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also click our notification icon for more videos. See you in my next video. Thank you.